Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a little bit about this activity. This is our new page 417 and 418, and I think it's pretty fun. Hopefully yesterday you had a good time with the other one. So there's a couple of activities here and here, and this is all on probability. So these are spinners, and I'm going to show you that you would take this and just a pencil, and let me show you how it would work out. And let me bring this down here. See how that looks? So if I spin it, then wherever it lands, and I'll bring it up to show you where it landed on the A. Okay, so when you read the instructions, they don't want you to spin, but it's just like a spinner. So I wanted to make sure you understood what a spinner was, okay? But you're not spinning. What you're doing is you're going to figure out how many outcomes are going to be placed on there. So if you spun and got the A, and then you'd spin this one, you would also get an N perhaps, because you have two choices here, N and T. So you're going to write down capital A and capital N, because you would spin A and N. That's one outcome that could happen. Then you spin again, and perhaps you would spin an A and then a T. So then you're going to write A and T down as well. Okay, and then listing outcomes just means making sure you are making every possible outcome that could happen. So then I'm done with A, so I'm going to move over to I. And so I would spin I here, and then of course I'd spin N, so I'd write I in. And then I might spin I, and maybe then I'd spin a T, so then the next outcome would be IT. So you're going to do that with each one of these, and write down in capital letters all the different combinations. And then what's cool is they ask you to count up how many of those are. So you can write that number there. And then just go down the list and answer the questions. Okay? They're going to ask you to cross out the ones that don't make words, and they just want you to count up which ones make words. Real words like at or in. And then down here, go ahead and use the spinner, take a paper clip and a pencil, and spin. And then go ahead and write down in each one of these what you get, and then answer those questions. Okay, so that's that side. It's kind of fun. On this side, you're going to take the cool shirts that you cut out. Remember yesterday you had some and you left them there? So what you need to do is you need to read what each one of these says, and they want you to look at the pattern. So I'll do this first one with you, and I'm going to stop here. So this is one exercise. Here's the next exercise. Here's the next one. And then this one gets bigger. And then you want to see what kind of pattern you see here. There's going to be pattern numbers that you want to look at. So write the numbers down or consider what's happening with those. So it says, make all the different combinations of a t-shirt and a pair of shorts using the red t-shirt and the tan and navy shorts. So I'm going to pull the tan and navy shorts, okay, tan and navy, and it says what would the combination be? So the combination, of course, it would be red and tan. So I'm just going to write R and T. So I'll write R, T, and put a comma. That's one combination. And then if I wanted to wear the red shirt, I could pair it with the navy shorts. So this is my next combination, and I'm going to call that RN. So I'm going to write in RN. It says how many combinations are there? So I'm going to double check. I only have one shirt, two pairs of pants, So I have one combination and two combinations. So I'm going to put a number 2 right there. Now these are actual answers, but then you get to do this one, and then this one, and this one, and then look to see what pattern it is and answer the question down here. Again, if you need more help, give me a call. I'll be there for you. Thanks. Bye.